Hi, hello, welcome back to Smart Learning YouTube channel. In this second tutorial video, I am going to discuss about what are the importance topics or frequently asked question in strength of material subject. There are 10 topics are more important in strength of material subject. Let's see. First one, elastic constant in this following two models. One is longitudinal strain formula is ratio between change in length to the original length. And second one is lateral strain formula is ratio between change in thickness or diameter to the original thickness or diameter. Second one, Young's modulus related topics. Third one, principal stresses and strains in this also two models. First one is tangential stress formula is sigma t is equal to sigma multiplied sin theta whole divided by 2. Second one is normal stress formula is sigma n is equal to sigma multiplied to cos theta. Fourth one, Moore's circle formula is sigma n is equal to sigma 1 plus sigma 2 whole divided by 2 plus sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 whole multiplied with cos 2 theta and addition of sin 2 theta and sigma n is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 whole multiplied with sin 2 theta and addition of subtraction of cos 2 theta. Fifth one, shear stress and bending moment is very important topic in strength of material subject. Sixth one, polar modulus in this topic following relationship is more important in GATE exam, that is T/J equals tau / R equals C theta / L, where T equals tau pi / 16d3 for solid circle, J equals pi / 32d3 for solid, C equals modulus of rigidity. Seventh one, stress in cylinders. Eighth one, pressure and torque formula is sigma underscore max equals sigma underscore 1 plus sigma underscore 2/2 plus sigma underscore 1 sigma underscore 2/2 caret 2 plus tau 2, and sigma underscore min equals sigma underscore 1 plus sigma underscore 2/2 sigma underscore 1 sigma underscore 2/2 caret. Ninth one, relationship between actual length and effective length. And last one, gear train. These are the most important topics from strength of material subject frequently asked in GATE examination. In next video I try to put solved examples from previous year question papers asked in GATE examination. Thank you. In description I gave the link for previous year question paper. Don't forget subscribe our channel.